Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Chrome is installed and updated. This ensures search features behave predictably. Once done, sign into Chrome if you want synced history and preferences. Next, press Win+I to open Windows settings and go to Apps. You're doing that so we can change default apps and handlers. This is faster than digging through menus. Make sure Chrome appears in installed apps. If not, pause and install or update Chrome before moving to the next slide. Now you'll set Chrome as the default browser so Windows routes web searches to it. In Apps right arrow Default Apps, click Google Chrome and review the list of file types and protocols. For HTML files, HTML and web protocols, HTTP, HTTPS, click each entry and pick Google Chrome. Also look for any search or search provider handlers and reassign them to Chrome. You do this because Windows Search uses the default browser. Finish by ensuring Chrome's search settings are correct. Open Chrome settings, go to Search Engine and set Google as the default. Manage search engines to remove unwanted entries. Then confirm Chrome has permission to be the default in Windows prompts. Once done, restart the Windows Search service or reboot the PC to apply changes fully. If search is still open Edge, use a small troubleshooting step. Run MS settings, apps defaults in Run, reassign protocols again, and disable any Edge redirectors you might have installed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.